condensate pump function makes them easiest to maintain. Our dehumidifiers with pump range from 50 to 95 pint moisture removal capacities. The high-capacity, stylish, and powerful Winter RPD 711 DWP Elite D-Series Energy Star Portable Dehumidifier is the ultimate device for your dehumidifying needs. Capable of removing up to 70 pints of moisture from the air per day and featuring an internal condensate pump, you can trust it to operate at large volumes without interruption. The compact and portable design fits well in any home or workplace environment where high humidity is an issue. The humidity level can be set within a range of 35% to 85% relative humidity in 5% increments. When the set humidity level is reached, the compressor and fan will shut off, which makes our dehumidifier one of the quietest in the market. It is designed to conveniently restart when the room reaches within 10% of the desired humidity level. It can also resume the previous settings after a power outage. This dehumidifier offers multiple features such as comfort mode, which allows the unit to automatically control the room's humidity at a comfortable level, and continuous mode for uninterrupted operation regardless of humidity level. This dehumidifier is equipped with a 2-in-1 silver-coated washable pre-filter combo. The silver coating is designed to kill bacteria in the air. The main feature of these winter dehumidifiers is the internal condensate pump that can remove moisture out and up through the included 16.5-foot drain line with up to 15 feet of vertical lift. They are specifically designed for high-volume usage without having to worry about interrupted operation. Energy Star rated, the Winter Elite Dehumidifier provides energy-efficient operation without sacrificing design and performance. The Winter Energy Star dehumidifiers with pump provide cost-effective and energy-efficient operation without sacrifice.
It is specially designed for crawl space and basement dehumidification with low noise levels, less than 55 dBA. It can remove 90 pints at AHAM of moisture per day with only 5.5 amps power and 90 liters at 30 degrees, 80% humidity. It covers up to 2,600 square feet, and it has impressive water removing efficiency of 6 pints per kilowatt hour. It's 63 centimeters wide, 35 centimeters high, and 40 centimeters deep, ideal for basement and crawl spaces. The control panel is right here on the front. Just press the button and set your desired humidity level. We set it at 50% humidity level when production is finished. You can set it to between 35% and 90% relative humidity by adjusting the up and down buttons if your space starts to feel too dry or not dry enough. First, let's see how it works. The air comes through the front, passes through an easily removable filter, it goes through the system, and the dehumidified air passes out through this outlet here. The humidity sensor is situated at the front of the machine above the removable filter. This helps eliminate short cycling and has quick access to the pump and main board. The unit is equipped with a hot gas defrosting system on the exchanger, which ensures quick and efficient clearing of ice from the coil under a minimum operating temperature of 2 degrees centigrade. Continuous operation mode is designed for special humidity level control applications. The unit starts CO mode only when the inner humidity level is just at or under 35%. It will continuously dehumidify without stopping. Some special commercial and industrial fields will ask for a lower humidity level for specialized use applications, like some labs for biological experimentation. The filter is easily removed and reinstalled right here at the front of the machine. It's very simple to remove this washable filter, and then there's a replaceable paper filter behind it. The unit is equipped with a G3 filter, which captures the majority of larger airborne particles after the air is blown into the machine. It can protect blowers, coils, fans, and other inner components from the congestion of impurities from external air, while at the same time ensuring the maximum airflow supply volume. Sentinel HDI 90 is leading the industry by introducing epoxy-coated coils. This new feature will extend the life of the coils, provide protection in corrosive environments, and maintain the coil's heat transferability over the life of the coil, and let gravity drain the water down. The unit is